Hello, in this video we are going to see nRoBo framework directory structure. So we can ignore this one. This is our auto project that we created earlier. So this we can ignore. This is created by Python itself, and this is our virtual environment. So these two directory we can ignore, and here on these are the project directories and files. So browser config is the top level directory, then pages is the top level directory. Browser config contains several configuration files, for example capability.yml, chrome config.txt, chrome preferences.yml. And underneath pages package we have all the page definitions of our site under test. We will be creating here and placing here all those page object definitions, page class definitions by the way, sorry. This again is created at runtime by nRoBo framework itself to store test results into this directory. So that's the result directory. This directory test is a package, or you can say directory which holds all the tests you are going to create underneath. You can create n number of subfolders or sub packages as per your wish, as per your requirement, the way you want to organize a test. That depends solely on you, but this is very important directory. It must be present there, and all of your tests should go under this directory. Then comes the initpy, which holds global nRoBo constants definitions in this file, like nRoBo paths and many other global constants that nRoBo requires in order to function various things within it. So this is also a very crucial file, you can see, and also environment settings that nRoBo is using at various instances while doing certain tasks. Then comes the conference.py file. This is very crucial file. I think you do not need to change much in that. By the way, this file of your version only reference nRoBo version of conference file which is installed in a virtual environment. You can go there and look at it like this. So there nRoBo has overridden some of the functionalities and some of the custom methods that are going to be used by nRoBo framework while running the test. So, and if you want to modify some implementations your way, you are open and free to define your version of definitions and functionality right below here. So that will take effect while the test will run. But if you are going to override any of the nRoBo conference settings, okay, so you have to remove this import and then write your definitions here. So that is the cautionary thing that you have to follow. Then comes the nRoBo config file. Here right now we have only waits configuration, default sleep time, default wait time, default timeout time, that nRoBo will try to find certain elements on next time, that nRoBo will wait for finding certain elements, and this is the wait time of element to be findable. So that's it about directory and file structure of nRoBo.